Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to replace background of an original image with a different background image in ReactNative's new architecture for iOS using the Vision framework. So I'll quickly show you what the original image was. So if I go to my images, I'm showing you guys this image, right? But if you see, the background is completely different, and I'm replacing the background of the original image with this particular background, the forest kind of background. I will show it for one more image so that just so that you guys have a quick idea. So I'll just change the image name. I'll rerun my application. This will take a little bit of time. So few things to clarify. Firstly, this will work only on a real iOS device. Second is we can't use the image view of ReactNative. We will have to use the UI image view from iOS, native iOS. Also, I am using the new architecture, so it's better you open this documentation, as I will be copying a lot of code from this documentation. So firstly, I have created a ReactNative project, and first you will have to open your terminal, cd to this iOS directory which we have, and then run this command. So this will enable the new architecture for iOS. Then we have to create a folder called rtn_my_image_view. Inside that I have created package.json file. Again, I have copy pasted this from docs. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Then I have created a podspec file. Again, I have copy pasted it from docs, and only this name has been changed. Then create a js folder. Inside that I have created a typescript file. Again, I have copy pasted it from docs. I have removed the props and I have changed this particular name. Now the documentation says that create an iOS folder as well. We won't be doing that because I want to write the main code inside this particular iOS folder which we have. So mostly the Swift code. So hopefully our output should be ready. So here you can see I was able to change the background image for this particular image. Also I'll show it one more. I'll quickly run it. In the meantime, you will have to open your terminal, cd to the root of your ReactNative project, and firstly run this particular command. Then you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your ReactNative project. Then you will have to run this particular command, but here instead of rnapp replace bg image, you will have to write your own project name. So change your, so here you can see this is my project name. So change it over here as well as over here, and this is our folder name. So once you run this command, again you will have to cd to the iOS directory and then run this particular command. So this will create code generation for the folder which we have created. Then you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. Firstly, you will have to go to your project, and here you inside the general tab open the iOS part and make sure the minimum deployment target is at least 15. Also, to use it inside app.tsx, here you can see I'm importing like this and using it like this. Okay, again coming back to Xcode. So inside the images folder, okay, I'll quickly show you guys the output. So here you can see the background was changed as well. So here I have added one background image, and these three are normal images which I have added. Then I have taken one header file. Again, coming back to our documentation, so I have created this header file. Again, I have copy pasted it from the docs. Only this name has been changed, rest everything remains the same. Then documentation says create an Objective-C file, but change the extension to .mm. It is Objective-C++. Again, I have copy pasted it from docs. Only this name and this name changes. Else everything is copied from docs. Again, I have created another Objective-C file, change the extension to .mm, so it is Objective-C++. Here we are adding this header file. Again, this has been copied from docs, and only this name, this and this has been changed. This is my project name, so replace it with your own project name. The documentation says that we should add this import, but given we are writing the main code inside the iOS folder, so we will be using this particular import. Again, this has been copied from docs, and only this name, this and this has been changed. This is our Swift file which I will show you shortly. Again, this has been copied from docs, and only this name and this name has been changed. Here we initialize our view file, our Swift file, add to our Swift file to our view. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this name and this name has been changed. Then create a Swift file. Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes. Again, here we are importing Vision as well as this core image CI filter. We initialize our image view, add it to our parent view, do some ns layout constraints as well. Here I am loading the original image, so change this name to whatever you have added inside the images folder. This is our background image. Again, change the name to whatever you have added inside the image folder. Here I create a background thread. Here we just do vn generate person segmentation request. I set the quality as well as the pixel format. then I convert the image to a CG image, then we do vn image request handler and pass this to CG image, then we perform the request as well, and here we get the results. Then I apply the pixel buffer, then we just apply mask and replace background, pass our image mask buffer as well as bg image, and on the main thread we just assign our image to our image view. Again here we are overriding all this boilerplate, and here I have created the method. So again, even I have copy pasted this from the documentation, so I'll simply scroll through this. Maybe you can do the same thing. So I've just copy pasted it. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.